Now let's set up the door anchor. Simply throw the door anchor stopper over the top of the door and close it. Then slip the bands through the door anchor strap. Next, attach the handles to the bands and start doing your workouts in minutes. You can also attach the bands to your ankle using the ankle straps. The straps are padded so your ankles will not hurt during workouts. And the D-ring design on the ankle straps makes it easy to attach or detach bands. There are many workout variations you can do with just the door anchor and ankle straps, like this reverse leg raise, or mountaineer, and hamstring curls, to name a few. You can also get creative with the handles like this workout variation. And you can do barbell squats like when you are in the gym too. Use the Home Pro Gym Resistance Bar for gym-like workouts at the comfort of your home. Follow guided workouts with our Superfit workout app or create your own custom workouts. Get yours today.